See that little blue thing we made? It's supposed to be blowing air down there. It's making a big bolt right now.
That's a nut.
Nut.
The bolt's the
It's making a nut that goes on a bolt. Because they go together.
I'll make that tomorrow, I guess. I'll start it in the morning. That's like going to be an 18-hour print.
You should check on it. I'm going to work.
That's okay. I wonder what stopping a print would be like. If it would, I mean, I'm guessing it would indefinitely hold it, but
That's probably pause.
yeah.
Isn't there a pause option?
That's what I mean. Pause print. Would it, could I just start it up if I had to leave for 2 hours?
I don't know. Where are you going?
I might have to go to work, I don't know.
I don't think we trust this thing good enough to let it do that all by itself right now. Probably pause it when you're not home.
We could probably stop that one right now. That bolt looks finished enough.
It's at 95%. You don't want it to be finished?
We can finish it. I'm just saying. I don't think it would hurt nothing.
I want to see its finished version.
Okay.
How's your wire behaving that didn't behave?
Fine. I don't even know how it popped out. I guess it was tighter than I thought. Just the vibration of the machine popped it out. This tape's working pretty good. I wonder if you're supposed to use cleaners on the other surfaces or something. I wonder if we'd be better off just putting tape on all the time. It's probably easy to clean
Let's just wipe it off with some kind of liquid or something.
up. We'll use that glass plate I bought. I already bought it. Then we can remove it and clean it, put it back in there.
What are those crackly noises it's making? Is it proper? Or is it a cord pulling too tight?
Could be that piece down there too.
Oh, I think it is. That's there.
Yeah. That's what probably why people change it a lot when they feel it. It's the teeth hitting that bearing. It'd be nicer if that was a tooth bearing. So then I could just...
Do they have a part we can make for that?
I don't think so.
We probably have all kinds of stuff for this. And then when we get it right, then we can make all kinds of creative stuff.
This is pretty creative. Like this. You gotta figure out how to do your artsy crap.
That's what I'm saying. We can design stuff after we have a printer that works proper.
Making sure there's not a reflection on the cabinet.
No, I don't see one.
Percentage are you?
97. How much filament will that big bolt take up?
This one's 8 grams. I could load it in.
It's what?
This one's 8 grams. So between the last 2 prints, we've used like nothing.
This one's 8 grams and we get 2,000 on a roll?
So I told us to buy 2 rolls thinking that all the upgrades would take that much. I might have been way off. We might have way more glue than we.
Well, we'll use it for something eventually.
We can use it for making people stuff if they ask for some stuff or something. I was also thinking that time your grandma's car broke, when we worked on that window, I had one of what broke was a plastic gear. I wonder if we could make one out of this.
Did she get it fixed yet?
I don't know if she ever got it fixed, but... Oh, actually, it's probably too long. I don't know if we could make it out of this. That piece was long. Yeah, we didn't have all the pieces and know exactly what it was. But if the other one breaks, we'll be ready.
You gonna make Dad airplane pieces?
If he needs it out of plastic, we could. The dog is just...
He's what? I told him we'd be right back.
It's like looking at it. Another thing that people make is a shroud for over that, over there. For,
What's a
put a
shroud?
fan, like a fan shroud. Mount a fan to keep the power supply cool.
Oh, that might be a good idea.
Maybe put one here too.
Do they build the fan pieces?
Well, hell yeah, we're going to. That's the whole point.
Neat.
Paul made one, but I think I have 120mm fans from computers downstairs. So I'll have to make my own, but it won't take me long.
Oh, alligator dog, don't cry. We're coming back.
Come here, Al.
$99%. Here's the piece that we made that, well, pieces were broken off of it because it started making it wrong. And here's a new one.
Oh, it finished? Yep, we went back to home.
Yeah, and I want to check it out. I wonder how hot it is.
The bed's cooling down. I bet you could pick it up.
I want to touch it and hold it and stuff.
If you do it from these corners, the bed's warm though. Damn, you're right, it sticks pretty good. That's good though, we won't have trouble with that.
With it sticking?
Yeah, let me yank it off there, I guess.
I don't know. Be careful with the machine. Burn yourself?
No, it just stuck.
Oh, here, show me in front of my video what you got there.
Edit me out. So we'll pull off the thing that helps it get going. Just start. Hope there's more. There you go. High quality is doing pretty good. I got a little bit of a lip there from this, but this is pretty nice. This might be work pretty good. Look at the threads on the inside. That's the part that's interesting, is these. See how well they look. If they came out right.
Well, the defects on here are probably from when you bumped the table.
Huh?
The defects are probably from when you bumped the table.
I didn't bump the table.
I have video of you bumping the table.
That's on the other part.
Is this the bottom? That's when you bumped.
That's on the other part, I thought. Yeah, that's the bottom. You can tell by the way it starts. It starts differently on the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Because it's got to make itself a base.
Thread looks good, though.
Let's see those on here.
That'll work for what it's doing.
Trying to focus on them. Neat. This is going to go on here somehow.
Once we get
On
the
this
other
new
piece-
contraption that's going to hold up the filaments. That's probably when he bumped the table there. When we get it in its home, then we won't be bumping it as much and it'll be on a flatter surface, I think.
The nut is 94 grams, or the bolt is 94 grams. So it'll cost us
Plus electricity.
200 grams is $1.50. 100 grams is like 75 cents plus electricity. So it probably cost a little over $1 to make the bolt.